Yeah, I'm Pastor Caleb Okello of Christ Life Celebration Center in Ugunja Town, Siaya County, Western Kenya, East Africa. As you can see, it's drizzling, it has been raining all day, and right now it's night, approaching 9 p.m., but because the team from Doug Howard Mills were coming, we had to brave the rains and the dark just to wait to receive the books. These materials are so important that we can do all we can that we have them. As you can see, I have my parchment, and I'm so blessed. I'm so glad for Doug Howard Mills. Thank you.
Wow.
All right.
Wow. Fantastic. God bless you.